Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Rashid and today I will brief you that how you can save your document and how you can use the feature of save as for your Word document. So firstly I will open my Word document, blank file, just Control S, right, computer, save, right, and on desktop where I will write doc 1 and I will just save it. So by this I can save my file, and for example here is a document and if I want to save this document as with the different name, then obviously I will go file, save as, browse, and here I will corporate desktop and save as. Just close it. Now you can see that I saved as file, same file, and save as. So this is the file which is saved with the feature of save as. This is the same file with the same content that was exist in the previous file, and I just save as that file to my desktop of my system. So these are the feature of saving and save as in Microsoft Word 2013. So obviously you can use and it will be helpful for you for the understanding. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in the next one. So see you, bye. Thank you.